One prompt, 2 minutes, and a full-fledged, unique WordPress website tailored to your vision without all that complicated setup. Sounds too good to be true? Well, the Bluehost AI website builder can give you all of that. And today is your lucky day because I'll be reviewing the WordPress AI website builder. Let's start with the Bluehost pricing, shall we? The best thing about this provider is that you don't have to spend a fortune to get a solid AI website builder. Bluehost starter plans are among the lowest in the market. And I know, the word cheap doesn't always have good connotations, but hear me out. Bluehost genuinely has an extremely good price to value ratio, as it offers a free domain for a year, SSL, content delivery network, and NVMe storage all in the base price. On top of that, the website builder is also included in the hosting plans. Sure, there's renewal pricing, but that's the absolute standard in the market. However, if you choose the longer billing periods, you'll avoid the renewal price increase for quite some time. And if that sounds like something you're looking for, well, look no further, because I have the best limited time Bluehost coupon code. All you have to do is click the link in the description or scan the QR code on screen, and the best deal will be automatically applied for you. Starting off, the Bluehost AI website builder is definitely one of the most beginner-friendly platforms out there, especially with the updates they've been releasing over the past couple of years. The Bluehost Wondersuite guided setup only asks you a few questions and automatically builds the website of your dreams. And if the website is not exactly what you dreamed of, don't worry. The editor has real-time editing with an intuitive interface that's built directly into WordPress. Besides, you don't need any coding experience, so there's no need to dive in too deep. To make matters even better, the Bluehost website builder is recommended by WordPress itself, holding that title for nearly 22 years. However, keep in mind that there's a slight learning curve if you dive into deeper WordPress features. Let's continue this best AI website builder review by showcasing the main features. First, the AI tools are what I'd call some of the best in the industry. Now, as I mentioned, to build a website, all you have to do is answer a few questions. But did you know it will automatically generate 3 complete website versions? This includes 3 different designs, layouts, starter content, and images. Once you have a starter website, the AI personalization engine helps adapt it. That means it customizes the design, content, and layout based on your input, tailoring your website to your needs. If you want to build a website for your online business, Bluehost AI has you covered as well with WonderStart. The personalized setup assistant asks about your business type as well as your goals, and it also takes into account your e-commerce experience level. Based on your answers, it automatically builds your site's structure. Okay, so you have the structure. What else? The tools, obviously. WonderCart is an amazing AI-assisted tool that helps you optimize sales. The system basically offers tactics by suggesting upsells and discounts. WonderCart can also encourage customers to buy additional complementary products. Now, there are a lot of features. Sure, they're simple, but what happens when you forget something or run into an issue? Well, WonderHelp is an integrated AI assistant that works like a chatbot directly inside WordPress. Personally, I love this feature because it gives me real-time guidance. So basically, I can edit my website however I want while talking to the AI assistant. Pretty useful, isn't it? This wouldn't be a best website builder review without mentioning performance and security. It's fair to say that the internet isn't the safest place. In 2025 alone, DDoS attacks increased by 121%. So it's completely rational to be concerned about your site being stolen or taken down. Well, Bluehost makes sure that risk is as minimal as possible when using its website builder. Firstly, the platform has built-in firewall protection. This is a crucial feature that helps block malicious traffic and prevent common cyber attacks, such as bot infiltration. Bluehost also offers malware scanning on the more expensive plans. Keep in mind though that you can get similar results with WordPress plugins, so really think about what works better for you. In addition, there's DDoS protection, proactive server maintenance, and spam protection to filter out shady comments and submissions. You know, those comments that say they're the royal family and you inherited $1 trillion, but you just need to send them $50 so they can transfer the rest. Yeah, those. Another safety feature that is, in my opinion, underappreciated is automatic updates. If the website is updated constantly, it reduces the risk of vulnerabilities caused by outdated software. Now I know, there are a lot of features here. Wouldn't that make Bluehost slow? Well, the best website builder wouldn't be called the best if it were slow. Sure, it's not as fast as hosting your AI builder, but Bluehost offers a 99.99% uptime SLA guarantee, which is considered good and reliable in the industry since it's higher than Google's recommended SLA guarantee of 99.9%. So all in all, WordPress on Bluehost is definitely a strong choice. Because of its AI website generator, WordPress doesn't feel as intimidating for beginners. So go to the link in the description, grab your discount, and get the best AI website builder for a fraction of the full price. Oh, and while you're there, don't forget to like the video and subscribe. See you in the next one.